Welcome to Semi Living, where we're not zombies. Hi y'all, truck driver Linda. Truck driver Paul is sitting up front.
Howdy!
But I wanted to kind of talk to you about my sister. So my sister and I were very different. She's a darker complexion than I am. She's much taller than I am, much thinner than I am. I'm like, gimme cupcake. And she's like, eat the salad. And we're always going back and forth about dessert, salad, dessert, salad. She usually wins. We are going to make a salad dessert, or a dessert salad, or a fruit salad dessert. Yeah. It's a spinach salad, but it's going to have fruit in it, and it's going to have this really delicious dressing on it that makes it taste like a dessert. I'm not sure what to call it. Spinach dessert? Spinach salad dessert? Dessert spinach. So you're going to need some spinach. You're going to need some apples and some plums and some kiwis. Alright, in here I've got an apple that I've cored and diced and a pear that I cored and diced, but I didn't skin them, I just left the skin on. And I've got, the plums were really tiny. Oh, let me show you. Oh, I don't have any more. They're only about this big, so I put 3 in there, but you can put as many as you want. And then I got 3 kiwis that I sliced up in there. So can you see all that in there? And the apples and the pears. Okay. And I've got a lemon. Turn you a little bit. So I'm just gonna roll the lemon. I just want to get the juice out. Excuse me. And I'm just gonna squeeze some lemon over it. This is going to keep the apple and the pear and all the fruit from turning brown. My finger's there just so I don't get any seeds in there, even though I see I got a seed anyway. Right there it is. Oh, and I should have put my gloves on. Yuck. Some spinach. Alright. I love spinach. I eat spinach daily. I love spinach. So I'm just going to get some spinach out, and I'm just going to give it a quick chop up with my big knife here, just to make it a little easier to eat with a fork. Okay. And I'm actually just going to add that right to the fruit. Right to the fruit, and a little bit more. This is maybe a 6-ounce bag, I want to say. Let me get a bigger bowl for this. I'm just going to dump it all in there. There we go. Now I got room to move it around and mix it all up in there. And then the rest of the bag. Alright. And then just mix it all up. Like that. I'm going to add a little bit of walnuts. I'm going to add, maybe a 1/4 cup of walnuts. Add some walnuts, maybe a little more. Maybe eat one. And then also, about a 1/4 cup of craisins. There we go. I'll mix those in there. You'll see that? That's just so good. Okay. Alright, that part's done. Okay, y'all ready to make some dressing? Super easy! Alright, you're going to need some balsamic vinegarette salad dressing. I've got the extra virgin olive oil kind. 2 tablespoons in a bowl. And then you're going to want 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. And that is it. Stir it up. That's it. Add it to your salad, and it's all done. So now we're just going to serve some up. Okay, because there's food here.
Yay.
Spinach salad, spinach dessert. Dessert salad. I call it delicious.
It is good. Delicious.
So do we eat it with supper, or do we eat it after supper as a dessert? To my sister, no more headlocks. We have a food that we can both agree on. It's a salad, so it's really good for you. And it's got the fruit and the spinach, but it's also really sweet, so it's a dessert. All right, y'all. That's all we got. If you like it, give us a thumbs up.
Have a good day.
If you like it,
Yeah, I like it.
give us a thumbs up.
You're nudging the elbow.
Bye, y'all.
Say no more.